Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be providing you with a full guide on how to create a poll without allowing multiple answers in a community group on WhatsApp. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your Android device. Step 2. Once you're inside WhatsApp, tap on your community. This could be a specific group or a larger community that you're a part of. Step 3. Within your community, select a group where you want to create the poll. Tap on the group's name to enter. Step 4. Look for the paperclip symbol. Tap on it to proceed. Step 5. Now, find the poll icon, typically represented by a bar graph. Give it a tap to access the poll creation feature. Step 6. Type in your question in the provided field, and then add the different options that participants can choose from. Step 7. To ensure that participants can only select one answer, turn off the Allow Multiple Answers option. Step 8. Finally, when you're ready to launch the poll, simply tap on the play button, and there you have it. You've successfully created a poll without allowing multiple answers in your community group on WhatsApp. Polls are a great way to gather opinions and make decisions together. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative tutorials. Thanks for watching.